All right, just want to jump on here real quick. Ending my day here at the study lab, at the study hall. I am just to note, I'm finishing up a very potent and very important document, and you're going to want to get your hands on it. I assure you of that. An 8-page power pack document. I'm putting it in there for you, so hopefully you are ready to take advantage of them. So I will let you know once it is complete. I'm putting the finishing touches on it today. I got here maybe around 9 a.m. It is now 4:51 Central Standard Time. So nearly rounding the corner on 8 hours on one document. This is the type of hard-hitting information that I provide here and the work that I put in. I know you don't get to see the background work that I put in, but rest assured I am on the job. With that being said, now I wanted to jump on here real quick. Something had struck me, and it was not an apple. All right, and it was regarding your standing. Okay, let me look at my notes here really quick. One moment. When bringing an action against you, let's say in a state, it doesn't matter, whichever court, okay? They bring a state action, a federal action, whatever, municipality or whatever. When bringing an action against you, all right, first of all, there's little information as to who exactly the action is brought against, aside from the domestic title, the legal label defendant, right? There's little other information as to who they're bringing the action against. They may have the legal name, right? The first and last name, whatever. They might even have a birth date, whatever, right? But for those of you that know, and most of you do, there is a difference between the legal entity and yourself. There is a difference between the legal name and your given name. There is a difference between legal and lawful, and the list goes on and on. All right. So in that case, now let me just assert this here. We're not going to be before you long, because this is hard hitting. This is powerful. If you take this information, if you truly understand it and understand it, it is power. All right. And then you need to apply it. All right, so with that being said, do we not know for certain, 100% certain, right? I hate being 100% certain, 99.9% certain that we are involved in what is known as the public trust. Do you agree? Yay or nay? All right, so if you agree with that, then we teach trust here. And I'm certain about what I'm about to tell you. A trust is made up of, first of all, it's made or created or constructed by the bifurcation of titles, legal and equitable title. Enough on that. All right, so secondly, a trust is not a trust unless it has the capacities that are involving the trust. By that I mean there has to be a trustor, settlor, grantor, right? And then there needs to be a trustee, and then there needs to be beneficiaries, right? All right, so with that being said, if you're picking up where I'm going with this, picking up what I'm putting down, a trust needs to have those three capacities, otherwise it is not considered a trust, or at least those three capacities, right? All right, so tell me this, if we are involved in the legal goings-on, right, the going-on, and we are in the public trust, then tell me, who are the capacity? Who are the members, the capacities? What are their legal capacities? Where is the trustor? Where is the trustee? Where is, the beneficiary? Huh? Are they articulating and conveying that when they're bringing a charge against you? Are they saying defendant, who is the trustee, or defendant, who is the beneficiary, or defendant, who is the executor, or excuse me, the trustor or settlor or grantor? Are they indicating that? Then they're merely stating a legal name, right? And alternatively calling that legal name the defendant. But they are not holistically and comprehensively identifying the proper capacity in which the accused is in. Are they? So that by an individual who is knowledgeable about the legal system and the procedures, the legal procedures, the due process of law, one that knows this stuff would say, well, then isn't that a failure to prosecute? How are you going to make a claim? All right, we know that there has to be legal capacities. We all have to act in legal capacities when it comes to the legal system. Matter of fact, Judge, you're in a legal capacity, aren't you? Right? When you take off the robe, you come down from your high horse up there and you go home. You got to take a bath. You got to eat. You got to take a dump. Right? You're no longer acting in your judgeship. You're in your individual capacity or private capacity, right? Right. But when you're here at work, you're acting in your legal capacity. So you are an actor. Prosecutor, Mr. or Mrs. Prosecutor or Miss Prosecutor, you're wearing a suit, right? You're acting in accordance with your bar membership, right? You call yourself a prosecuting attorney. That's a legal capacity that you are acting in as an actor, a state legal actor, right? Okay. And so on and so on. So everybody has to have a capacity in order to participate in the legal sphere. But lo and behold, I'm here as you're calling me a defendant. You're accusing me, right? Well, then this is the public trust. So what aspect, what capacity do I play in relation to the public trust? Because there's only 3 capacities per se, right? Settler, beneficiary, trustor. Trustee. Trustee, beneficiary, or settler, trustor, or grantor. You can pick either one of the 3. They mean the same thing pretty much. Okay? So with that being said, I just wanted to throw that out there. If you are picking up what I'm putting down right there, I just gave you a 44 Magnum to the chest. Basically, that's what I just gave you. All right? So if you know how to use that, all right, it's the year of application. If you don't know how, this is all I'm going to tell you. You need to get a consultation with me so we can go ahead and talk about your individual situation and apply these nuggets to your particular situation, all right? Otherwise, hey, if you just you got itching ears, you just want to hear, and you're not going to actually apply, no problem. Stick around. I'll just keep talking. But if you're ready to apply, I just gave you a megaton. All right? So do something with it. Apply it. This is the year of application 2023. And now you've been made free. The question is, what are you going to do with it? Courtney with KnowledgeWell Media and KnowledgeWell University and Amernad Law, etc., etc. Signing out. We'll see you soon. Look in the description of this and other videos. And if you like this type of information, you want to keep us going, make sure that you hit that like button, that thumbs up button, and share this with your family and friends. We appreciate you. Thank you. Bye.